Welcome. In this video I am going to share a simple trick with you that will let you lock your notes using your Face ID. So first of all, set up a Face ID in Settings, Face ID and Passcode. Enter your password here. Select Setup Face ID and proceed by adding a new one. When your Face ID is set up, click Done. And then simply go to your Notes app. Hold down the message that you want to lock, select Lock, and then using your Face ID, you can lock any note on your phone. Now, when you enter your note, in order to read it, you'll have to use your face. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.